up, guys? Good morning. It's 6 freaking a.m. right now. Over here at Button Willow, and I'm kind of upset because I freaking left my case at home, I think. Oh, what do we have here, boys? Yes. Boys. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys seen the recent slide, I kind of messed up my car, and sorry if I look a little groggy. I kind of just woke up. I blew the shift fork, and she has been not driving for the last couple of months. What the hell is that? Oh, sorry. Today's gonna be a really quick video. I'm actually really excited to show you guys. The turbo kit is here. Yes. And we're gonna install some bracket bolts or bolt brackets for the hardtop, the top ones. But first, let's warm up the car, and then I'll show you guys what I mean by broken shift fork. Battery's dead. Yeah, so she's been like this for like the last couple of weeks. I've been warming her up like every other week, but I guess it's been really cold lately, so I think it just got to the battery. Yeah, so we'll just have to check it out later. The good news is I did order a new transmission, stage 2 from Lee's Walter Motorsport, so that should be in the next 2 weeks, a week or so. Yeah, she'll be back on the road. So we have a new trans, turbo, and send it. So the turbo kit took about 2 to 3 weeks to come out. I'm pretty sure it's because they just had to manufacture everything, and I did get some really dope ass custom piping color, so charge pipe colors. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. And in terms of the plans for this turbo kit, probably gonna do like a really low boost, then work my way up slowly, because this car has been giving me a lot of trouble lately in terms of like just the minor things. So I kind of want to just take it slow and then just gradually grow to like maybe 350, 400 in the future, since I have a 215 that can handle that much. And then we'll talk about like maybe going later to like 500, but that's in the long run. This car is going to be more for just, you know, like I said, track. So you don't need a fast car to track, you just kind of need something to get you going. But I'm gonna get started with this unboxing, so send the time lapse in. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff here, and I don't know much of it, but I'll go through as much as I can with you guys what I know about anything, and we'll go down with the plan. The FAB9 GT budget turbo kit. The turbo it comes with is a Garrett GT 2080-60R, which has a built-in internal wastegate at 7 psi, which pretty much means it can be hitting around the range of 250 to 350 horsepower for a 1.8 to the 3.0 liter motor. And since our cars are 2.5, or at least mine is, it's pretty much right in the middle perfectly. Here is their manifold that everyone's been talking about. So maybe later next week or something, I will actually put the turbo together. In terms of installation, I don't know if I'm doing that yet, but we can put the turbo together straight off, like kind of like just bolt it on together and then put it on like a header. That's pretty cool. I would love to do that. And then here we have the charge pipes, which I got custom painted Cherry Illusion red. And Jesus, that just looks so sick, really. And there's a bunch of other stuff that's actually kind of missing. But here are the other tubings. I don't want to take everything out, but I would say the packaging was really good. It had everything I needed pretty much. All the clamps, everything in the package is just high quality stuff, guys. These are probably the brackets for the intercooler. And then I also have the turbo blankets. that's pretty much it. It freaking looks pretty insane. I can't wait to put it on, but as you know, the car is down right now, so I'm gonna be installing the Blackfab brackets for the top. I do have the bottom ones, but because the car isn't moving right now, I need to take out the seats and then move the old hatches on there. So I can't do that right now because the car's on the drive on the street. So I'm probably gonna do that when I get the trans in, and I'll probably continue to do it there. But it should be a pretty simple install. It's just removing the old hardware from the hardtop and then just installing these ones. So we're gonna do this real quick and keep it locked down. Oh yeah, there's something weird going on over there. Anyways guys, back to the vids. So it's a pretty simple install. You're gonna just take off the plastic cover right here on both sides. It kind of just yanks off. I guess you can yank it off at a certain angle, so there, clear up. And then all I'm gonna do is remove these 4 bolts. It's a T27, which I have right over here somewhere. And then I'm just gonna loosen these up, put these on, and see how they go. A little hiccup, I don't have the right tools for it. I need to go to stop at a freaking store real quick. So yeah, I will be right back. Yeah. Alright guys, we got what we needed. Don't have to drive. Let's do this. Alright guys, so you're just gonna reinstall everything. I didn't tighten everything down yet, but yeah. This install is quite easy, so I'm gonna tighten everything up, do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, we're all done here. It's looking pretty good. And I'm hoping this removes out the squeaks and sounds of it. Like I said, I have the other ones too. I just gotta put this on later. It's just that, like I said, the car isn't moving right now, so I can't move it onto the driveway. So I'm just working on the street. And yeah, I'm sorry if the car's a little messy. I took a couple spins at Button Willow and dirt is just everywhere. This car is completely freaking trash right now. And once all this coronavirus thing blows over, I'll be able to give it a nice clean and fix the side skirts, obviously, and hopefully get the turbo in and send it. But that's it guys, this is gonna wrap up my vlog. Before I head out, I just want to say, you know, it's a really harsh time for everybody right now, and I hope everyone's being safe with your family. You know, stay at home, you know, follow the regulations and laws, because right now we're in some deep stuff. So you guys are all doing great. And you know, if you guys like the video, remember to comment any questions, anything below, like that, and hit the subscribe. Peace out.